Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the latest technological innovations in agriculture. In today's video, we will be discussing how robots can be used to monitor crop health and growth. With the world's population rapidly increasing, the demand for food is also increasing, making it crucial for farmers to optimize their crop yield. One way to achieve this is by using robots to monitor the health and growth of crops. Robots can provide farmers with valuable insights into the state of their crops, allowing them to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. One of the key advantages of using robots for crop monitoring is their ability to gather data quickly and accurately. Robots can be equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that can detect and analyze a range of parameters, including temperature, humidity, light, and soil moisture. This data can be used to create detailed maps of the field, highlighting areas that need attention or treatment. Furthermore, robots can also be used to automate various farming tasks, such as weeding, seeding, and harvesting. Autonomous robots can work continuously without breaks, allowing farmers to reduce labor costs and increase efficiency. For example, a robot can be programmed to scan a field for weeds and remove them using mechanical means or by applying targeted herbicides. Another benefit of using robots for crop monitoring is their ability to work in challenging environments. Robots can operate in extreme temperatures, harsh weather conditions, and even at night, providing farmers with continuous monitoring and data analysis. Robots can also be used to monitor crop health and growth in real time. For instance, sensors can be placed on individual plants or crop rows, allowing farmers to track the growth rate, nutrient uptake, and stress levels of the crops. This information can be used to adjust the irrigation and fertilization schedules, ensuring that the crops receive the right amount of nutrients and water. Furthermore, robots can be used to detect and diagnose crop diseases and pests. With the help of machine learning algorithms, robots can analyze the data gathered from sensors and cameras to identify potential threats to crop health. This early detection can help farmers take preventive measures before the diseases or pests become uncontrollable, reducing crop losses and increasing yields. In conclusion, the use of robots for crop monitoring is becoming increasingly popular, as they provide farmers with valuable data and insights that can help optimize crop yield and reduce costs. Robots can quickly and accurately gather data, operate in challenging environments, and work continuously without breaks. Furthermore, they can automate various farming tasks and detect and diagnose crop diseases and pests, helping farmers take preventive measures to protect their crops. Thank you for watching our video on using robots to monitor crop health and growth. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest technological innovations in agriculture.